Hey guys, my name is Elena. I'm a graphic designer. Today I'm going to create one of the main heroes of Minecraft. His name is Steve. If you're interested, please continue to watching. I found this Steve in internet, so let's recreate him. With help of eyedropper, I take all colors from our first Steve. That's all guys, our Steve is ready. Hope you like this tutorial. If yes, please subscribe and see you soon in next tutorials. Bye bye guys. Bye.